So what we're showing here are our digital twin solutions for machine, line builders and manufacturers. From a Siemens standpoint, we look at the end-to-end solution from managing your equipment, designing machines, designing robotic cells, complete lines, and we have a whole host of simulation tools that supports use cases in each one of those. So beginning, let's say we look at our line designer here. When we lay out a line, we want to be able to know, okay, before we run it in our simulation tool, we want to be able to lay out, okay, geometrically, can we build up modules? Can we build up libraries of the components? And they're not just, these are smart components that have the geometrical space of my new conveyor, my new tank, but importantly, they have the metadata of what's associated with that part. Speed, fill rates, whatever important data you want to keep with that. So I can, as you see here, my reuse library. I can build up a library of components to help lay out my facility. Once we have that done, then we can say move down the line and we can do individual machine design here on these components, or we can look at, say, manufacturing. When we're laying out the line, there's a human ergonomics aspect of it, where we go from manual. When do you need to make that transition from manual to robotics? When do you have to make sure your manual laborers, are you conforming to local standards as far as risks and back and fatigue and so on? And more importantly, when do you need to make the transition from human to robotics? And here we see Siemens with a whole host of solutions for simulating a wide range of robotics and AGVs, forklifts inside a facility. And we're doing that to help ensure the layout, and ultimately, if we move down the line from a manufacturing standpoint, if we look at our plant-wide optimization, we want to verify, is our facility giving us the output that we really want? What are the statistical analysis bottlenecks, throughput time, machine efficiency, labor efficiency? Am I producing what I need when I want it? Do I need extra equipment, extra buffer lines? So we can simulate this all ahead of time before anything is built. So this is from machine design, line design, complete simulation of robotics. Once our line design is laid out mechanically, this is the layout we prefer, the output of this is the input into our simulation tool for simulating the what-if scenarios for the line, our plant simulation tool.